So Assalamualaikum. So today in ABM we're gonna make a question about fluid property. Question 1, calculate the weight of the reservoir of oil, so this is the substance, if it has a mass of 8 to 5 kg. So the weight, it is W equal to mg. The mass will be 8 to 5 times by the gravitational acceleration. In SI, there will be 9.81. So you will get 8.093 kilonewton. The reservoir has a volume, which is from the same question. Reservoir has a volume of 0.917 meter cube. Compute the density, specific weight, and the specific gravity. The density formula, that would be mass divided by the volume itself. So the mass will get 8 to 5 divided by the volume 0.917, thus you will get 899.67. Whereas for the specific weight, we denote as the alphabet W. If you confuse with the weight symbol, you can just write the specific weight as SW. It's just an indicator, so it doesn't matter how did you illustrate the term, but I more prefer you just respell this question, this word. Maybe you can write as .w, but anyway, specific weight, it is a product of multiplication between the rho itself times by the gravitational acceleration. So that's why you will get 8.83. Go to specific gravity of an oil, denote as sigma. It is the product of rho divided by the rho of the water. Essentially, the formula of specific gravity, there will be sigma equal to rho substance that we want to analyze over by the rho, or the density reference fluid. So in general, we will using density of water as our parameter. So that's why divide by 1000. So we'll get 0.89967. Now we moving on to question 2. A cylindrical can 150 millimeter in diameter is filled to a depth of 100 millimeter with a fuel oil. The oil has a mass of 1.56 kg. Calculate its density, specific weight, and gravity. So note down all the information, and we need to calculate the volume of it, which is by apply the formula pi r square times by the height. So the r, or the radius, will be 0.15 divided by 2. Then you will get the volume will be 0.0018 meter cube. Calculate density, which is product of mass divided by the volume, thus we will get 883. Whereas for specific weight, the product of density times by the gravitational acceleration, the value would be 8662 Newton per meter square, and the specific gravity, denote as sigma density of the substance that we want to analyze, divide by the density of water if you make water as a reference. In general, we're using water as a reference. So we will get 0.883. So that's all for today. In the next session, we will discuss about question 3. Thank you.